My name is Chase Scott. This is my beautiful wife, Jacie Scott, and we are building the Crescent. And I am also a sales manager for Shaw Homes. The best part about the building process for myself would be being able to customize my own home, get to select the exterior, also not have to worry about things, I guess, breaking in the future, and just knowing everything's covered under warranty gives me that peace of mind. So I love the warranty aspect, love being able to customize it. Also love just going into a brand new community and being one of the first homes there. I think it's a lot of fun to just have a bunch of brand new homes around me as well.
My favorite part so far has been meeting with the designer and choosing all of the finishes and everything that we want in the home. So that's been really exciting.
So what we feel separates Shaw Homes from other builders would be that the included features, what's standard with Shaw Homes, all of those things are going to be upgrades for the competitors of Shaw Homes. So it's fun coming in with a base of just being able to pick out like a beautiful granite or quartz, exterior options, all the different tile selections, and all those things being included. You also, we love all the different selections here in the studio. There's just so many things to choose from. So whether you like that traditional look or the contemporary like us, you're definitely going to have an option because there's just so many selections.
The best advice that I would give to future customers would be to prepare for your design meetings. I went on Pinterest and looked at a lot of things that I liked and brought those pictures in with me to compare to all the options that Shaw has to offer.
I've quite a bit of advice on this subject. I would say the three things that I would recommend to our future customers of Shaw Homes. First would be the model home tour. Can't stress how just impactful that is. We went to so many different homes. You get to go to so many different communities and visualize what you're really looking for. I think a lot of times you come in with a certain expectation of what you would like in your home, and after going on this tour where you're going to go and see 10 different staged homes in tons of different communities, what you thought you want may change drastically from what you end up doing, because your sales manager is really going to go over the function and the benefits and features and all those things that you may not notice if you were just to go look at one or two homes. So take the model home tour. The second piece of advice would be to speak to a lender. If you're a first-time home buyer like we are, we didn't know necessarily the ins and outs of everything, and we spoke to Juan Rodriguez at First Oklahoma. He did a fantastic job of really letting us know what we needed to do to prepare to purchase our first home. So we met with him multiple times. He was very patient with us and explained that process, and just really prepared us to purchase our first home. And the third thing, probably the most important, just give me a call. I am a sales manager for Shaw Homes, and now I kind of have that advantage, if you will, is I'm now a customer. So I've been through this whole process, and I work for Shaw Homes. So I've learned a lot. Learned to be very patient with people doing their selections. Shelly was incredible and really helped us along the ways as we changed our minds multiple times. And so highly recommend it. We're thrilled to start building our home.